Hello student, I am Shivam sir. Welcome back to another important video. Today I am telling you classification of substance. Thomson Graham classified the substance in two categories on the basis of rate of diffusion through parchment membrane. First crystalloids, second colloids. Okay, we can say anyway. Look here. Thomson Graham classified the substance in two categories depending upon the rate of diffusion through parchment membrane. Number one, colloids. Number two, crystalloids. It is derived from the Greek word cola, which means glue-like. So we can say colloid substances are glue-like. Now what is colloid? Those substances which do not pass through parchment membrane are called colloids. Colloids are glue-like substance. Look here. Those substance which do not pass through parchment membrane are called colloids. Dear student, Thomson Graham classified the substance depending upon the rate of diffusion through parchment membrane in two categories. Number one, colloids. Number two, crystalloids. Colloids is derived from the Greek word cola, which means glue-like. So we can say normally glue-like substances are called colloids. What is colloids? Those substances which do not pass through parchment membrane. Those substances which do not pass through parchment membrane are called colloids. For example, glue, gelatin, glue, gelatin, gum, starch. These are the example of glue, gelatin, gum, starch, colloids. After this, next topic is crystalloids. Those substances which can pass easily through parchment membrane are called crystalloids. Those substances which can pass easily, those substances which can pass easily through parchment membrane, those substances which can pass easily through parchment membrane are called crystalloids, are called crystalloids. For example, sugar, formula of sugar is C12H22O11. Salt, NaCl, urea, NH2, formula of urea is NH2CO NH2, are crystalloids. The above classification of solutes into crystalloids and colloids proves unsatisfactory because some substances are crystalloid in one solvent and colloid in other solvent. Listen to me again, dear student. The above classification was unsatisfactory, proves unsatisfactory because some substance crystalloid in one solvent, colloids in other solvent. डियर स्टूडेंट, ये जो क्लासिफिकेशन था ये अनसेटिस्फैक्टरी हो गया. अनसेटिस्फैक्टरी क्यों हुआ? क्योंकि कुछ सब्सटेंस क्या थे, एक सॉल्वेंट में क्रिस्टलाइट थे तो दूसरे सॉल्वेंट में कोलाइट थे. फॉर एग्जांपल, सोडियम क्लोराइड is crystalloid in sodium chloride is crystalloid. For example, sodium chloride is crystalloid in water, or we can say in aqueous solution. We can say here water or in aqueous solution. Sodium chloride is crystalloids. In aqueous solution, but sodium chloride is colloids in benzene. Formula of benzene you know very well from lower standard, C6H6. Student, I hope that you can understand all the points in this lecture. So like this lecture, subscribe my YouTube channel, share it to your all friends. Okay students.